Hi, my name is Alexandra and welcome to my studio. So this video is really a teaser about what is coming up in this month of November 2024. And I just cannot wait to share it with you, even though I'm still keeping a secret what designs are going to be, but it's going to be just, I want to show you one of the most important part of these designs is the yarn. So let me just start from showing you this collection. Just look at that. How gorgeous is that? And what does it remind you? Does it look like a beautiful collection of coffee and strawberry latte? What do you think? So this is idea behind this collection, plus yarn, plus designs, which I'm not ready to disclose. So some time ago, I had an idea to combine, two things, two of my favorite things in the world, coffee and wool. So I had an idea to come up with a wool collection that would kind of like be inspired by different coffee, like cappuccino, espresso, latte, and so on. So I had in mind to ask to maybe collaborate with me on this design, Lori of Arkansas Yarn Company. And she's the first person I approached, and she immediately says, yes, let's do it. So that's exactly what we did. And so she did this. And I think she got it practically right away, the right type of colors. Well, she would know more details, but to me, it looked like she sent me a picture and it was absolutely stunning and perfect. And look at this. So this is called Wool and Coffee, and it's 5 skeins of fingering weight with stellina. So it does have a sparkle to it. It's incredibly soft. It knits perfectly. It's just like a really beautiful yarn to work with. And as you see, it's a 5 skeins. And as I said, it's 5 skeins inspired by coffee drinks. So she did absolutely insane, gorgeous job. And I love how, they blend in together so beautifully, or could be used separately as well. Each of the colors are just perfection. So what is, so this is the yarn and collection of 5 different accessories is coming. And all I can say, think of coffee, think of comfort, think of kind of timeless beauty, timeless design, beads, and I would say beads in the shape of pearls, in the color of pearls, and velvet. So I actually got a velvet bow right here. So this is kind of like just to give you an idea. So the velvet, well, let me start with the kind of give you idea of this design. So this file of Wool and Coffee is all my kind of working file for those 5 designs. It will be released as ebook, so containing all those 5 designs plus a bonus pattern, and I want to release them as a separate patterns as well. So, but ebook is actually kind of, it would be my first personal ebook in collaboration with Arkansas Yarn Company. And also, I just thought like I wanted to create a collection of a small accessories. It would be fingerless gloves, a hat, a cowl, a scarf, and pair of socks. So this collection could go all together, and it's all about like comfort in beauty, like comfort in style. So you would be very comfortable, but at the same time, it's really pretty and something you may want to consider create as a gift. So that's why we're releasing it before Christmas. Those are small items, so it would be quite easy to accomplish like the whole thing, the whole collection, or maybe just one item before Christmas. So I just can't get over it. Look at this. Perfect, perfect. I love this combination. I mean, all of these combinations are gorgeous. So think of cables, think of beads, and the beads I'm using for this design, I'm actually going to show you like in combination, for example, with this yarn, is Ceylon Miyuki beads. And Ceylon beads is really like a tinted pearl beads. Like it looks like a little pearl, but it's slightly tinted. It's not exactly white. This one is, I believe it's antique ivory pearl. But I have a few shades of, those pearls. I have a pink shade, a little bit of brown shade, but that's an idea. Ceylon beads. So you can see. Yeah. So just love it. And it's like, for me, Ceylon beads, because it does look like pearl, like I'm thinking of it of something timeless and almost nostalgic, but again, it's like something that never goes out of style. So, and combination to that, as I said, think of velvet too. So I am going to add tiny little touches, like little bows, to those designs. And in the velvet, just an extra focal point, but also extra texture that I love so much. And for me also, velvet is sort of like, like it's such appropriate texture for holiday. So wool and coffee yarn collection, and it will be available online. You would be able to order it directly from Arkansas Yarn Company. If you don't follow them yet, do it now, because you want to get on their email list, not to miss this. And I mean, it's just stunning, like stunning. You don't even have to do anything with it. Just like put it somewhere so you can look at this beauty. And of course, my collection of accessories. Think of beads, and my pattern would have a photo tutorial step by step. If you never done beads before, knitting with beads, it's easy, so it's fun. And all those 5 designs plus a bonus in the ebook is coming up. So very excited about this. I could not wait to share it with you. That's why I made this video, and I will see you soon and wait for the announcement. Bye.